Hello, good afternoon, all the viewers. Today we have Dr. Preeti with us. Welcome to eSchool, ma'am. Dr. Preeti has got a very rich experience of 25 years and she has been a consultant and advisor in health and wellness. Dr. Preeti, I request you that please give some practical tips to our students and parents how they can maintain good health and high immunity during this lockdown period.
Wow. Thank you, Captain Praveen, for having me here. And you are doing an amazing job. I think this time, when COVID has forced us to sit inside, it is now our choice to make it memorable or to keep cribbing about it. And I think very important is what do we eat during this time? Because we all have realized that, food is something we cannot do without it. Two, make sure that your child eats a fruit and a vegetable every day. Very, very important. So I'm not saying that, you be after the child's life, that you have not eaten vegetable, you've not eaten fruit. There are ways you can innovatively add it. For example, this is mango times. So if your child can have a mango every day, it's amazing. It is full of vitamins, minerals, it's yummy, and you can make lots of dishes with it. For vegetables, even if your child can have cucumber, that's perfectly all right, or onion and tomato or whatever. In addition to that, it will be not a bad idea to have your children with you in the kitchen at times. Just seeing how much effort is being put when food is being made, I think will give a new perspective to children. Because these days, Captain Praveen, what I have seen is that if we want to stay healthy and if we want our immune system to be good, it is exceptionally important that in addition to what we eat, we also focus on how we eat and when we eat. So how means if your family can sit together without phone and any technology with you, even for 10 minutes in every meal, I can assure you the mileage you will get out of it will be 50-60% more than what you will get when you will eat with technology. Second, dinner, try and have 3 hours before you sleep. But when it comes to children, what time they sleep is one area where I would strongly recommend that you be strict with them. Because remember, our circadian rhythm is set according to the sun. And studies have very clearly shown that all people who are working in BPOs and at late nights, the incidence of non-communicable diseases is 3 to 4 times higher than a normal person who works in day schedule. And just to add here, Captain Praveen, recent data is showing that 72% of people who died because of COVID in the world were obese and were metabolically not fine. So when I say obese, 40% thin people are also not metabolically fine. And one major reason to that is your sleep cycle and your eating cycle based on the circadian rhythm. And third and my last tip is please make sure your plate has a rainbow whenever your children eat. And rainbow means 7 colors because this is the simplest trick you can use for your children to have a balanced diet. And these 3 things cannot be completed till you do the same thing. So my message for parents is, please follow these 3 tips because unless you do them, your kids are not going to do it.
True.
Right? So you have to come out of that your created life where you think kids should do everything right, we can still mess up with it. Right? So that is exceptionally important that we don't do. And, use seasonal foods, whatever you get here. And I'm sure that we will come out of this COVID times very, very successfully.
Thank you so much, Dr. Preeti. You've shared very, very easy and very practical tips with our parents and children. I'm sure that with your advice, they are going to have a healthier lifestyle, and whatever habits we have developed in the past, it's time to rethink and unlearn and learn the new and better habits. Thanks a lot for your time.